Today we're going to be looking at scripts, what they are and how they work. So in general, nearly all of your coding and programming will be done in a script, and hopefully the reason for this will become apparent as the video goes on. So what are scripts? Well, they are collections of commands that are executed in sequence. They're written in the Matlab editor and they're saved as Matlab files with the .m extension. So to create a new script, you can head over to the New Script tab at the top left. Let's dot this. And this will open up a new script. Okay, so this script at the moment is called Untitled 6 and it's not saved anywhere. So let's say we wish to create a script that plots a vector x versus y. Okay, so let's create an x vector. So let's say x is equal to linspace -5 to 5. And let's say y is equal to sine of x. Let's plot x versus y. So we could have done all of this in the command window and executed it line by line. But the benefit of using a script is that we will click run and it will execute it line by line, and then we can go back and change anything or add to it if we wish. Other benefits of using scripts are is that we can comment our scripts. So for example, let's say we wish to let the user know that this is the x vector. We can write a %sign followed by x vector, and this is adding a comment. So anything that is green and is preceded by a %sign will not be executed. Okay, so let's continue on the theme and say this is our y vector, and this makes the code a little more user friendly. And let's say that we're going to plot x versus y. Okay, so this is a little more user friendly. We can see what's going on. What we can also do is we can put a section around this, and if we can do this by using 2 %signs, so we can say plot sine of x. Okay, and you can see that this is now turned yellow. We can add another section, plot cos of x. Copy all of this over. Change sine to cos, and this will now plot cos of x. And you can see we can click on each section, and we can also run each section individually if we wish. For now, we're just concentrating on running the whole file. So you can see that the name of the file, Untitled 6, now has an asterisk above it, and this just means that this file is unsaved. So remember, we want to save this file into the directory that we wish to work out of. So in this instance, it is this directory, and this should do this automatically in this instance. So we can click save, and we'll call this example 2. That is saved, and that is now available in our current folder, which means if we click run, it will call this file, and it will plot cos of x. Okay, like I said, we can run section by section. So let's say I want to just run the top bit. I can highlight that in yellow by clicking it, and the same goes if we put that down there. Another benefit of doing this is that we can call this file, this script, in the command window or elsewhere to run it. And we do this by just typing the name of the file. So example 2 and return will run this file and give us a new window. Or we could create a new script and type in run example2.m, and that would also run the file within this file once we've run it. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you again soon.